Hello and welcome to another video of Learn with Vishrant Bastala. So in previous video we are talking about this 0 degree and 90 degree angles in this trigonometry ratio, and we have some technical issues, so the video wasn't completely uploaded. So we'll start from trigonometry ratio of 45 degree. Alright. So unlike 0 and 90 degree, this 45 degree, 30 and 60 are pretty straightforward. So if we have a right angle triangle where one side is 90 degree and the other two side are right angle triangle, isosceles triangle. Okay, so in this thing, then the sides are equal. So if the sides are equal, the angles are equal, right? So angles equal हुने angles यो 90 भएपछि other angle 90 को divide by 2 चाहिँ 45 degree हुन्छ. So we have 145 degree angles. So theta equal to 45 degree in this. So as the angle theta is 45, we have this Pythagoras theorem which we can apply and find the value of AC. Now if you have the value of AC as a root 2, then we can easily find the value of sine 45, sine tan 45, sec 45. As we know that some people have curly brown hair turned permanently black, right? So त्यो value बाट चाहिँ we can find the value of all this value. Similarly for this 30 and 60 degree, so we take a equilateral triangle. So in equilateral triangle, we know that all the angles are 60 degree. So if we divide a equilateral triangle, then one angle of the equilateral will be 30 degree. So we have to assume this 30 degree as theta. Alright. So if we assume this 30 degree as theta, then we can write some equation, some relation in terms of sine theta, tan theta and sec theta. From some people have curly brown hair turned permanently black. So in this way, first we can find the value of AD, which is the hypotenuse of that half equilateral triangle. So this one. So यो half को चाहिँ hypotenuse find गरेर अब जस्तै यो थीटा हो भने चाहिँ बेस कुन हो हाम्रो चाहिँ अनि perimeter कुन हो and hypotenuse कुन हो चाहिँ you already know that, right? So in this way we have to find the value of this h, and here let me see. So here they are finding the value of p or b, as you said, ba, because ad भनेको त b हो हैन. So this is a, this is d and this is b. So AB is hypotenuse and its opposite BD. BD is A, which is say perimeter, and AD is base. So base ko value find say other value we know that, and we can solve all these ratios. In this way we can do that for 60 degree too. Now we have this trigonometry ratio formula, standard angles. So this is important throughout this OPT maths and maths time period, like from your class 9 to class 12 and beyond. So try to memorize this, try to make a एउटा पेपरमा चाहिँ ड्रा गरेर चाहिँ you can put it in front of your table at your home, so that you can see it throughout your learning days, and you'll memorize it subconsciously, So that's the thing I would suggest you. Now there are many problems that is important and is quite challenging, but here in this series I'm just going through the theories and overview of the concept of OPT math, so I'm not going through problems. But if you face any difficulties in problems, please let me know in the email, or you can comment down below, and I will solve and I'll let you know. Okay, so now identities of trigonometric ratio. So relation of trigonometric ratio. So I have already talked about this. So in this ratios, this what we call angles, trigonometric angles, standard angles. What we know is sine is inverse of cosec. So if sine is p by h, then cosec is h by p. So if we multiply these two, we'll get one value 1. So sine into cosec is 1. Similarly, sec into cos is 1. So sec value is just opposite to cos value. So we get the value 1 if we multiply these two. So wherever it comes cos, we can write 1 by sec, and wherever it comes sine, we can write 1 by cosec. Right? Similarly, we have that for tan and cot too. So there are 3 values we need to remember: sine, cos and tan, and we can easily solve for cosec, sec and cot. So this thing you have to remember. Now quotient relation. So let's see what this says. We have tan theta equal to p by b. So p by b भनेको फेरि हामीले, okay, we can write this. Nice. So tan theta भनेको पनि we know that is sine theta by cos theta. How this came is like sine theta भनेको के भयो? p by h भयो, whereas cos theta भनेको के भयो? b by h. If we got h, we can cut, right? So it becomes p by b. So p by b equal to tan theta. So tan theta. So for tan theta, we can write sine by cos too. So this is also another thing we have to remember. This or this, yeah. The main thing is you can remember this, and all the thing will easily come, you know. And similarly, if tan cot is opposite to tan, then cot will be obviously a reverse of that, right? So cot theta will be cos theta divided by sine theta. Just reverse that. So in this way, we have this identity on the quotient relations. Now Pythagorean relation. So Pythagorean relation. So we know Pythagoras theorem, which is h square equal to p square plus b square. How this applies, let's see. This says that, oh, okay, this is also important. So as we know, p square plus b square equal to h square, right? If we divide everything by h square, then p by h whole square. What is p by b whole square? P by h whole square, and what is h by b by h whole square? It's sine square plus cos square, and h cancel, then it will become 1. So it's what we are getting is sine square theta plus cos square theta भनेको चाहिँ always 1. So this thing we are solving from this, right? So this is also important. Similarly, जसरी tan theta equal to sine by cos भयो, जसरी cot theta equal to cos by sine भयो, sine square plus cos square पनि 1 हुने रहेछ. यो यसै आएर हुन्छ, right? We have this Pythagoras theorem जहाँबाट चाहिँ PHB गरेर सल्भ गरेर h स्क्वायर ले डिवाइड गरे भने चाहिँ we get this formula. यिनीहरुको त भ्यालु हो, sin र cos को भ्यालु हो. सो त्यो भ्यालुमा राख्दाखेरि चाहिँ we get this value. अब यो भ्यालुबाट cos को मात्रै भ्यालु निकाल्न के गर्न मिल्छ भने त cos को मात्रै भ्यालु निकाल्न sin अर्को साइड लानु पर्यो, sin स्क्वायर थीटा. सो cos थीटा भनेको त के भयो? रूट अन्डर 1 माइनस sin स्क्वायर थीटा. सो this might be another two equation that might be important, right? So mainly if यो थाहा पाउनु भने यो पनि easily थाहा पाउनु हुन्छ. So we have to just first know the first principle. So हाम्रो यसको लागि चाहिँ this is the first principle, है. tan equal to sin by cos, that is first principle. So त्यो कुराहरु चाहिँ याद गरे नि, अरु चाहिँ we can just derive it from them, you know. अब यो अर्को छ माइनस वाला छ. सो अब त्यही अनुसार यदि हामीले चाहिँ b ले डिवाइड गर्यौं भने, b ले डिवाइड गर्यौं भने चाहिँ के हुने रहेछ भन्दाखेरि अर्को आउने रहेछ sec स्क्वायर theta minus tan square theta equal to 1 रहेछ हेर्नु यो पनि अर्को रिलेसन जसरी sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 छ sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1 so from this also we can derive for only sec and only tan so sec भनेको चाहिँ 1 root under 1 minus tan square theta and tan equal to root under sec square theta minus 1 so this is also another formula we need to remember and the finally cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1 so similar way अब यसमा चाहिँ p ले divide p square ले divide गर्ने so these are some formulas that we have to remember while solving this prove that thing in OPT maths so try to remember those formula यो त के हैन पछि धेरै आउँछ but still अहिलेको लागि चाहिँ यो याद गरिसक्नु भयो भने चाहिँ यो पछिलाई हेल्प हुन्छ है सो अहिले देखि चाहिँ प्लिज ट्राई टु रिमेम्बर दिस यो चाहिँ आफ्नो राख्नु होला यो 5-6 वर्षै काम लाग्छ पछि इन द फ्युचर त यु क्यान जस्ट गुगल इट आउट एन्ड यु क्यान फाइन्ड द भ्यालु है बट इन योर रिमेनिङ कलेज डेज यु हेभ टु नो बाई योर हार्ट सो try to memorize this sin square plus cos square equal to 1 and sec square minus tan square equal to 1 and cot square minus cosec square equal to 1 oh here no to confirm no cosec square minus cot square equal to 1 okay so remember this by saying this let's continue in another video this arco case topic so till then see you bye take care